name is Holly, and I work for the Live Oak Public Library. Today I'm going to be doing the recipe for the month, and this month that spice is marjoram. The history behind marjoram. It is believed that marjoram originally came from the Mediterranean region and has been used since ancient times. The ancient Greeks used this as a natural treatment for many ailments. They believed it helped from poison, convulsions, and edema. They called this herb Joy Mountain and crowned young couples with it during wedding ceremonies. It was once believed that marjoram helped to nurture love. This herb was added to food to promote civility and love. Women carried this herb around in bags, and it was placed around homes for the sweet fragrance. It was also used in love spells. A young woman would place marjoram under her pillow at night, believing that the herb would help reveal her future husband while she was dreaming. Marjoram eventually made its way to England, where they used it in beer and tobacco. It was used as an ingredient in snuff to add a bit of minty flavor. Marjoram was also frequently used in beer for taste and to act as a preservative. Many people believed that if marjoram grew on your grave, you would have happiness in heaven. Today, many still consider it to be good luck and happiness to have marjoram growing by your grave. Today's recipe comes from the book Healing Spices by Bharat B. Agarwal. We're going to be making Mediterranean vinaigrette, and for the recipe you'll need 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 3/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup red wine vinegar, 1 clove garlic diced, 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram, 1/4 teaspoon crushed rosemary, and salt and pepper to taste. So, to start our vinaigrette, we'll need 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, and we'll need 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and we'll need 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, and then we'll need 1 clove of garlic chopped, our dried marjoram, and our 1/4 teaspoon of rosemary, and we'll salt and pepper to taste. And it's pretty simple. You're just going to shake this to mix your vinaigrette. Make sure that's all sealed, and we'll just shake. And that's your vinaigrette done. You could serve this over a salad if you would like to, or use it as a dressing for potatoes, pretty much anything. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to look out for more from Suwannee River Regional Library in the future.